Welcome to Drax Manor. I'm going to be showing you 199. It's a 3-bedroom house, and let me just show you what we're talking about: increasing the opportunities for selling a home, having great curb appeal such as this home. Look at this fantastic lawn, well manicured. It has an automatic sprinkler system, so that helps to keep it fresh and green. And this is zoysia grass, so it's quite soft on the feet. Now we're in a gated community, Drax Manor, as I mentioned, and we're very nearby the security post. There's also the continuing of the mountain range in St. Anne, and this home, you're going to see the love and care and detail that the owners have spent on their home. So this driveway can hold 2 cars uncovered and 2 additional cars you will see later on in a covered space. Look at this lawn. Now if you take note of the custom awnings, if you notice the other homes do not have this feature. And one of the benefits of the awning is that when the rain falls, it does not hit on the exterior wall or to leave those pesky marks, okay, and it goes right into the soil to replenish the earth and to keep this grass green. It also blocks out or limits the sun's rays from going in. It also is grilled, and the windows and doors have an insect screen to keep any pesky mosquitoes from getting in and out, or croaking lizards. All right, so we have this lovely covered patio, and it's perfect for entertaining guests. Now this home is being sold furnished, and I'll tell you a little bit more about the reasons for selling as we go along. If you were here today, you'll be able to smell this nice home fragrance. You certainly can feel the love. And certainly lots of hearty meals have been cooked here. Lots of memories have been created here. And let's take note of the living room. The AC, it has a digital inverter, so it's very energy efficient. And you have this option of using the ceiling fan, and that's for days where you don't have nice cross breeze or cross ventilation. On a day like this, a Saturday, quite airy and breezy, and you know, just to ensure that we have a nice viewing experience, we have the ceiling fan on, but it's not often needed. So I'll make our way to the primary bedroom. And it has this lovely sitting area. The bedroom is large enough to accommodate a nice king-size bed, and if you notice, there is a lot of space to even accommodate 2 nightstands, which has decorative lamps. It has a dresser and a chest of drawers. But of course, you can configure your primary bedroom the way you would like to match your family's needs and lifestyle. So very important is the closet space, and it's very efficiently utilized. So persons can use the shelving up top to store any luggage pieces, lots of shoe space, and so on. This ensuite bathroom is in keeping with the modern trend of having a standing shower. these easy to clean ceramic tiles are very helpful to consider. There's space for your toiletries, cupboard space as well as up top. And this has high ceilings, if you take note of that. So air is nicely circulating, and the option of the air conditioning unit. Now, the second bedroom is this way. It has a bathroom that can function as a powder room for your guests. This has a full bath, so it's perfect for bubble bath for your kid or godchild that may come to spend time with you, or a child of your own. And we make our way now to the second bedroom. Now this bedroom has a queen size bed, as you can see. Really nice window treatment, and as I mentioned, all the windows have an insect screen. They're grilled as well, and there's a slight tint on the windows themselves, which are a sash type window. So closet space, very, very important to have. And if you see any item here, they're for sale. So even the figurines, the dresser, and so on. We now come to the third bedroom. Which I like to call the blue shell room. As you can tell, the motif is reflected in the comforter and throughout the space. It's very zen-like, and of course you can make the option of putting into purchase this home without the furnishings, or you may want to have the appliances and or the equipment such as the air conditioning unit. The house does have a solar water heater. It also has a surveillance camera system, and that is in addition to the 24-hour security for the entire complex. So this bathroom, coming back now to this ensuite bathroom, and it too has a full bath. I'd like to draw your attention to something that not many people tend to have. This is a diffuser, and this is what is helping to make the home very fragrant. This little touch gives an extra edge, and people feel that experience of seeing themselves living here just by having a familiar fragrance. So the dining space and leads now to the open plan kitchen. has a solid granite countertop. Now there's space for you to put your bar stools to make this your breakfast nook, to enjoy your cereal or unwinding at the end of a day with a glass of wine. It's very spacious, and take note again of the very high ceiling. And very tropical in its design as well as its use. And in the kitchen we are seeing a Samsung digital inverter refrigerator. It's double door. And you still have this double sink to do your meal preparations. Custom built microwave, electric stove. And it has a nice custom built pantry. Very helpful to have this to store your wholesale items. Okay, so this now takes us to the in-unit laundry. Top of the line appliances, washer and dryer, has a tub for delicate such persons may have. Lots of storage space. And again, if you were here, you'd feel this nice breeze. Now here's something what I really love about this house. It has this extended entertainment space. And let me show you something that's really, really cool. Look, an East Indian mango tree, and it's easy to reach. The tree is short in height and it's blossoming. So if you were to purchase this home, you know, you'll have some nice fruit coming your way in about 2 to 3 months, if that much. Plantains as well, aloe vera, mint. That is actually a moringa tree, which is known for its health benefits. A drying yard. Everyone who has come to see this space, they say they can envision themselves playing dominoes here or hosting a barbecue. How about you? What do you see this space being used as? Drop your comments down below and let's know what your preference is. And to the left, if you notice, the garden space is not too much. It's just enough for you to manage. Very low maintenance. And this side has another mango tree. It does have pumpkin and watermelon, and lots of space to have your own herbs, Scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, you name it. Now this is the covered parking area that I mentioned earlier, that you can hold 2 additional cars along with the 2 uncovered parking space in the driveway. Space for your garden hose. It's just everything that's thought out, right? And I'll draw your attention to the surveillance cameras, and this is accessible via a mobile application anywhere you are in the world. So just a quick recap: 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. There is an option for you to purchase the furnishings as well as the equipment, and the HOA, which is only 11,250 Jamaican dollars, which works out to be about 75 US per month. Now, I'm going to show you the clubhouse shortly to help you understand that this home in Drax Manor is a preferred buy just because of all the amenities that it comes with and the distinctive features no other house here has. So whether it is your preference is to play tennis, basketball, have a swim, go on the swing in the children's play area, or work out in the gym, Drax Manor is the place for you.